Let's dive into an introduction on integrated audits and specifically discussing the differences between an integrated audit and a non-integrated audit. Now, the purpose here, the whole objective of this integrated audit is to assess and express an opinion on a company's internal controls over financial reporting. You'll see this a lot, and in the real world, you see ICFR just quite a bit. It gets old fast, but that's what this is. And the purpose here. So when you're doing a non-integrated audit, which is just a normal audit, so when we think of the entire audit exam, just that normal financial statement audit, traditional audit, that traditional financial statement audit assesses the financial statements, the numbers there. Now, the importance of the integrated audit, you could think of it as an audit that helps with the sustainability of the financial statements, meaning rather than just checking the 1 year's numbers, and I know it's a gross oversimplification of an audit, an integrated audit is going to test the internal controls that result in those numbers being generated. So you're going to test how the cash reconciliation process goes, the cash application process. You are going to check how inventory is counted. And by assessing these internal controls, you have more assurance over how these numbers are generated. And as such, your financial statements are probably going to be much more accurate. That's the purpose here, and we're going to talk about that a lot. So an integrated audit, just to sum it up again, it's essentially an audit dealing a lot more with internal controls in relation to how the financial statement numbers get generated. Now, the scope, procedures, and purpose of this integrated audit, as you could probably assess if we're getting into the details and the procedures of a company, they're going to be much more extensive than a normal audit. Right? Normal audit, I'm not saying that's not extensive, but an integrated audit is going to take it up another level. Now, because an opinion is given for this audit, for the internal controls, for the integrated audit, we're going to need much more extensive testing and procedures. As I mentioned, we've got internal control over financial reporting. Another way of saying an integrated audit is an engagement to audit internal controls. If you see either of these, just know that the exam or the content is referring to an integrated audit.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.